But what are the advantages of combining these different types of media? Shank and Cleary, as well as Marsh and Kumar, emphasize that cognitive theories of semantic memory describe the structure of knowledge as being very similar to the structure of multimedia. So the general thinking is that multimedia can enhance the way we naturally learn and form knowledge. In addition, Reber hypothesized that multimedia stimulates imagery and visualization. Imagery and visualization are mainly involved in creativity, discovery, and problem solving. In Paivio's dual coding theory, one channel processes verbal information while the other processes nonverbal images. Thus, learning is improved when the information is referentially processed through two channels. Which all makes sense if you think about it from a biological perspective. The temporal lobe of our brain is the primary location for processing audio input. Meanwhile, a separate part at the back of your brain, the occipital lobe, handles visual input including graphics and motion media. You can see that just by using audiovisual media, we stimulate both of these simultaneously, which reduces cognitive load on any one part of our brain and also doubly reinforces the message we are receiving. However, this is not enough. The frontal lobe is the major locus of our thought processes. It's where we can make connections and make sense of abstract ideas. EEG readings have shown that this part of the brain is active when reading words. It is also where our working memory occurs, which means that using our frontal lobe is critical to learning and retaining information. So you can see that, when you use multimedia, you're engaging the whole brain instead of just one part of it. The power of multimedia lies in the synergy that arises from combining different types of communications media. Not only do the various media have different strengths and weaknesses, but there are also major differences among students' ability to comprehend them. For example, Pedzek, Simon, Stokert, and Keeley found that subjects with high visual spatial ability comprehend television better than people with weak visual ability. This example also goes to show the power of using multimedia to reinforce the same concept in multiple ways for a varied audience. According to Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences theory, we each have different strengths and weaknesses and preferences for certain modes of learning, thinking, and communication. By integrating a variety of multimedia into learning activities, not only do you activate the whole brain of each student, but you also ensure that students with a variety of intelligences or learning styles are given the information in a way that clicks with them. And with modern technology, multimedia is easier to create and consume than ever before. In fact, it's pervasive. In the past, it was quite costly and difficult to create multimedia, and even to view it. But now, pretty much anybody can do it. Anywhere. Like here. Or here. Or here. Or even here. Provided you have a connection. Can you hear me now?